French drain. French drain is to relieve surface water as well as some groundwater. We have a swaled area here where there was standing water at times and the ground was always wet. We dug out the heavy soil, we removed the heavy soil and hauled that out. We are now filling that trench or channel in with some drain stone. We have the pipe at the bottom, as you can see, and we have the trench line. This French drain channel, it's lined with a filter fabric. We don't use a sleeved or socked pipe. We have a pipe already. It's protected because the whole trench, the whole French drain trench has been wrapped. Over here there was water pooling around the deck posts. So we removed the heavy soil and we're putting the drainage stone in up to the deck post. The water's just going to run right into the French drain channel. We took the French drain to the storm drain catch basin. Here we used a commercial core drill, and you core, like you see here, 3-4 inches at a time. Let's knock it out with a chisel. You got about a foot of concrete to get through. This is the correct way to install a French drain in Washington Township, Macomb Township, Clinton Township, and Shelby Township. For a French drain quote, give us a call.